dark night, with no one to hold hands, and lost in himself and his thoughts. A man trudged along the unlit path with his turquoisey eyes, searching for something and finding nothing. Rain was pouring down ceaselessly, and the forest beside the lane was strangely alive. An owl hooted at a distance, and a dog howled in dark. The night turned darker, and strange voices echoed in empty air. The man halted in his steps. He turned back and saw a light flickering far away and finally giving up. Fear clawed at his heart, and paralysis took over his body. The fear was not of unseen nocturnal creatures, but of a dark past and an even gloomier future. Then something happened, which was nothing short of a miracle. The man heard a faint voice belonging to his mother. He braced himself and started walking and kept on walking. The night was dark and haunting, but he heard his mother singing the lullaby. No matter how dark it looks, you should know your way. The light's there always, and it's gonna be okay. Just look up and walk, just stand up and walk. Don't be scared and learn to be brave. You'll find me there with you. Just look up and walk, just stand up and walk. The light's there always, and it's gonna be okay. The man now walked with a faster pace, straight into the middle of forest. Looking around, he found leaves rustling and wind blowing. He rushed ahead, and what he saw left him motionless. At the end of the path lay a beautiful lake, and nearby that lake stood a small cottage, with smoke rising from its chimney. The man smiled wistfully. It was the same home he had left years ago, in search of something which seemed insignificant to him now. He realized that what he was searching for was there all along, an abode full of love, warmth, and comfort, calling him home. He had heard its summons, and he was home.